Hi guys, it's me, and today we're looking at a monitor that completely redefines what a gaming setup can feel like. This is the LG 49-inch UltraGear curved gaming monitor, and it's built for people who want maximum immersion without compromise. The moment this monitor is on your desk, it dominates the space in the best way possible. A massive 49-inch super ultra-wide panel stretches across your field of view with a 5120 by 1440 resolution. That's essentially two QHD monitors merged into one continuous screen, giving you an incredibly wide workspace without bezels cutting through the middle. Games feel expansive, interfaces feel cleaner, and multitasking becomes effortless. The curved design is subtle but effective. Instead of forcing your eyes to travel across a flat panel, the curve brings the edges closer to you, keeping everything comfortable and natural. Whether you're gaming for hours or working through long sessions, the viewing experience feels balanced and immersive rather than overwhelming. Speed is where this monitor really shines. A 240Hz refresh rate delivers ultra-smooth visuals that make movement feel fluid and responsive. Fast-paced games benefit instantly, with clearer motion and reduced blur, while even simple actions like scrolling or switching windows feel noticeably smoother. Combined with a 1 millisecond response time, inputs feel sharp and immediate, which is exactly what competitive gamers look for. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support ensures that screen tearing and stuttering stay out of the picture. When frame rates fluctuate, gameplay remains smooth and consistent, letting you stay focused on the action instead of technical distractions. With the right GPU, this monitor truly comes alive. Visual quality is pushed further with VESA DisplayHDR 1000 certification. Bright scenes look intense and punchy, dark scenes retain detail, and highlights stand out without washing out colors. HDR-supported games and movies feel more realistic, adding depth and contrast that standard displays simply can't match. Connectivity is modern and flexible. HDMI 2.1 support makes this monitor ready for next-gen consoles, while DisplayPort unlocks its full potential on high-performance PCs. Switching between devices is easy, making it a great option for mixed-use setups that include gaming, content creation, and entertainment. Audio support with DTS Headphone X adds another layer to the experience. Through headphones, spatial sound feels wider and more accurate, helping with immersion and awareness in games. While external speakers will always be better, the built-in audio features are a solid bonus. The stand is designed with real-world use in mind. Height, tilt, and swivel adjustments make it easy to find the perfect viewing position, even with such a large display. The build feels sturdy and premium, matching the performance-focused design language of the UltraGear lineup. Beyond gaming, this monitor is a productivity powerhouse. Video editing timelines stretch comfortably across the screen, multiple apps stay visible at once, and workflows that usually require dual monitors fit neatly on a single display. It simplifies setups while increasing efficiency. This is not a casual upgrade. You need desk space and powerful hardware to truly take advantage of what it offers. But if you're ready for that step, the experience is hard to beat. It's fast, immersive, and versatile, built for users who want one screen to handle everything. If you want to check it out or buy the LG 49-inch UltraGear gaming monitor, then please visit the link provided in the description.